Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Royal Restaurant.
Good afternoon. Thank you so much.
How many people with you today?
Just one person, please.
Sure, ma'am. Please come this way. Here's your table.
This looks very nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Here's your menu, ma'am. Please take your time.
Thank you. Do you have South Indian food?
Yes, ma'am. We serve South Indian full meals, mini meals, and variety rice like vegetable rice, tomato rice, lemon rice, and curd rice.
That's lovely. I'll have one South Indian mini meal, please.
Sure, ma'am. Would you like to add any gravy or side dish with it?
Yes, please. What do you recommend with mini meal?
Mushroom masala goes very well with it, ma'am.
That sounds good. Please make it semi-gravy and less spicy.
Of course, ma'am. Semi-gravy, less spicy mushroom masala. Would you like any soup before your meal?
Yes, I'll have one vegetable soup, please.
Perfect, ma'am. So that's one vegetable soup, one South Indian mini meal, and one mushroom masala, semi-gravy and less spicy.
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you, ma'am. Your order will take around 10 minutes.
No problem. I can wait.
Here's your vegetable soup, ma'am. Please be careful. It's hot.
Thank you. It smells really nice.
Did you like the soup, ma'am?
Yes, it was very tasty.
Here's your mini meal and mushroom masala, ma'am.
Wow, that looks delicious. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, ma'am. Please enjoy your meal. How is everything, ma'am? Is the food okay?
Everything is very good. The mushroom masala tastes perfect.
I'm happy to hear that, ma'am. Would you like anything else?
Yes, could I have one more vegetable curry with the meal, please?
Sure, ma'am. I will bring it right away. Here's your additional vegetable curry, ma'am.
Thank you so much. You're very kind.
My pleasure, ma'am. How was your meal, ma'am?
It was excellent. Everything was fresh and tasty.
I'm glad to hear that. Anything to drink after your meal? Tea, coffee, or juice?
I'll have one masala tea after lunch.
Sure, ma'am. Please give me a moment. Here's your masala tea, ma'am.
Thank you. It smells wonderful. Excuse me, could I get the bill, please?
Sure, ma'am. One moment. Here's your bill, ma'am.
Thank you. What payment methods do you accept?
We accept UPI, debit card, credit card, and cash, ma'am.
Great. I'll pay by credit card.
Sure, ma'am. Please insert your card and enter your PIN.
Done.
Thank you, ma'am. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. The food and service were excellent.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Please visit again.
I definitely will. Have a nice day.
You too, ma'am. Goodbye. Great job, everyone. You have just completed a full South Indian restaurant conversation in English. Today, you learned how to order politely in a restaurant, ask about the menu and recommendations, make special requests like less spicy or semi-gravy, talk to the waiter during your meal, ask for extra dishes, order tea or coffee at the end, and pay your bill confidently. Let's quickly review some important phrases you learned today. How many people with you today? Do you have South Indian dishes? I'll have one South Indian mini meal, please. What do you recommend with this meal? Can you make it less spicy? I'll wait, no problem. Could I have some extra curry, please? Everything was excellent. Would you like to have some tea or coffee after your meal, ma'am? Could I get the bill, please? What payment methods do you accept? I'll pay by credit card. Thank you for your good service. Now you can speak confidently in any Indian restaurant in English. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Flow Practice for more real-life English-speaking videos. Practice every day, and soon you'll speak English naturally and confidently. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.